Hi guys and girls, welcome to part 4. We've got a bit going on. It's come on nicely, starting to look like a camper van. Let's check it out. Oh, guess what? It's turned up. There it is. Nice new cabinet. And it's got a handy little slot right there where the battery will go out the way. And I can put a little cover over it. Just a curtain or something just to hide it in there. And obviously there's doors there and there. I've got to scribe. Well, I've got to cut that off there. And that's where it's going to sit like that. But this will go back a bit more, yeah. Looks good though. I've got another piece of board there. I'm going to put a partition in the middle, in between the two cupboards. Yeah, good. I'm happy. Let's get it all put together. Alright, lots of measuring and scribing and marking, but I've got that bit cut there. Let's see. It won't move. Why won't it move? What's it stuck on? Get off. Alright. Oh look. Lovely. That'll do, won't it? A little bit of a gap there, but not worried. Not worried. Once it's all screwed up tight, it should be alright. Cool. Alright, we're getting some of the wiring in here. These are the units that have to be fitted, and all the wires here. We've got to trace all this. There's the leisure battery for this. So we've got one in, one out, into the split charger. That'll come up to the isolator and back down to the battery. And then I can turn the isolator off, which will turn this fuse board off, which will run everything in here. But it'll be constantly connected to the charge. I've got that earth back to the body down there, so I need another one to come back up to that there, which is going to be an earth peg inside the board. But so far, looking good. And the isolator key, put it in, that's it off, that's it on. That's it, and I'll mark it all up when I'm done. Hopefully all the unit will come in here and it'll sit up against there, across here and back, and that's it, fixed, finished, done. Okay, right, we've got the battery in. Wife's just made me a brew. Got the battery in there. This is for the solar panel, which runs up there. So that's that. So we've got isolator key, which turns this off, and that one there is just a little light for doing that. Right, still got quite a few tools in here. Haven't finished the electrics yet, still waiting for some bits. More tools, battery there. But we've got this cabinet in, and as you can see, all in, all installed, all fitted. Fits up nice there, little cut out there so that door will still open, so we can get to things. I've had to put that up there, but you'll see why after. Yeah, lights, little lights are in, all the bits are in place, and this in here. Let's have a look. We open this, some little organisers. Just put a bit of vinyl. Flooring in just to cover the shelves, and then we've got a cutlery drawer. It's not neatest, but it's hidden behind the door anyway. It goes behind there, just like that. And then we open this one up and I make a storage box, or buy a storage box to go in there. Maybe stack them up if I can. And then there's all the electrics, and that's where the battery goes there. So it's all labelled up, all ready to go. That's the electrics board, but it's not finished yet. Still got bits to do. Carpet's in. I don't know if I had that in last time. I think I did. But yeah, that's where we got to. I painted this black, but it's not come out very well. So I might find something else, maybe a vinyl sticker or something to go on it. A marble effect. We'll see. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe. All that helps to get it out there. Lets more people see it. Doesn't do much for me yet, but it might do in the long run. Yeah, we're nearly there. We still need a rock and roll bed. There's finishing touches to put in. There's bits need doing. Not a great lot, but we'll get there. So till next time, stay safe, stay well, look after yourselves and others. Bye for now.